Greetings and welcome, my friends, to a realm where stone walls tremble and mighty engines of war hold sway. Today, we journey into the heart of medieval warfare, a world of sieges and conquest, where cunning and ingenuity reigned supreme. In this brutal dance of attack and defense, siege weapons emerged as the deciding factor, holding the power to shatter defenses and alter the course of history. These weren't just tools of destruction, but marvels of engineering, each playing a crucial role in the grand tapestry of medieval conflict. Join me now as we delve into the inner workings of these formidable machines. The ballista, a giant crossbow with deadly accuracy. The catapult, a family of engines hurling projectiles with brute force. The trebuchet, a gravity-defying giant, and the siege tower, a fortress on wheels advancing towards the enemy's walls. Let the siege begin. The ballista. Imagine, if you will, a crossbow. But not one wielded by a mere mortal man. No, this is a weapon for giants, forged in the fires of necessity and honed by the cold hand of war. The ballista, my friends, is a marvel of precision, capable of launching massive bolts across incredible distances with pinpoint accuracy. Picture this. You are a defender, high atop your ramparts, the wind whipping at your cloak. Below, an army amasses, a tide of steel and fury preparing to break upon your walls. But wait, what is that chilling sound? A low hum, growing ever louder, rising above the din of the approaching army. It is the ballista, its deadly song, a prelude to destruction. With a resounding thwang, the massive bolt tears through the air, a harbinger of doom. It slams into your wooden defences, punching through with ease, its momentum carrying it onward through whatever unfortunate soul dared stand in its path. The ballista, you see, is not a weapon of indiscriminate destruction, though destruction is certainly within its repertoire. No, it is a surgeon's scalpel, a tool of precision, capable of picking off individual targets from afar. The ballista's power lies not just in its size, but in its ingenious design. Twisted ropes, thick as a man's torso, provide the immense power needed to hurl those heavy bolts. These ropes are made from animal sinew, stretched and dried, their elasticity harnessed to create a force unmatched in the medieval world. The ballista's operators were not mere labourers but skilled artisans, masters of tension and trajectory. They knew the secrets of their craft, how to adjust the angle of the weapon, how to gauge the wind, how to make the ballista sing its deadly song. And sing it did, across battlefields far and wide, its reputation for accuracy and power spreading fear in the hearts of all who faced it. From the siege of Jerusalem to the battlefields of France, the ballista played a pivotal role in shaping the destiny of nations. It was the great equalizer, capable of bringing down mighty walls and turning the tide of battle in a single decisive volley. But the ballista's story is not just one of destruction. It is a testament to human ingenuity, to our ability to conceive and construct machines of such power and precision. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can still soar, reaching for new heights of innovation and, yes, even artistry. For the ballista, in its own way, was a work of art, a deadly masterpiece of wood, iron and twisted sinew. It was a weapon, yes, but it was also a symbol, a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity in the face of adversity. Now let's talk about brute force, shall we? Let's talk about the catapult. Where the ballista is a surgeon, the catapult is a raging barbarian, smashing through walls and shattering morale with its sheer, unadulterated power. Imagine, if you will, a monstrous arm, straining against twisted ropes, its belly full of rocks and fire, ready to unleash chaos upon the enemy. The catapult family is a diverse bunch, from the smaller mangonel flinging stones with a whip-like action, to the mighty onager, named for the wild donkey and its powerful kick, its single arm slamming into a padded crossbeam, launching projectiles with incredible force. Picture yourself a defender on those besieged walls again. You've weathered the ballista's surgical strikes, but now a new terror emerges, the guttural groan of the catapult as it winds up, the ground trembling beneath its mighty frame. The air itself crackles with anticipation as the arm swings forward, releasing its payload with a thunderous crack. Unlike the ballista's precision strikes, The catapult is all about area denial, about creating a storm of destruction that leaves the enemy cowering in fear. Stone upon stone, fire and fury, the catapult doesn't discriminate. It is the embodiment of raw, unbridled power, a force of nature unleashed upon the battlefield. The catapult's impact went far beyond its physical destruction. The psychological effect on those unfortunate souls cowering behind those crumbling walls, well, let's just say it wasn't conducive to a stiff upper lip. To see your defences smashed apart, to hear the screams of your comrades as stone and fire rained down, that's enough to break even the bravest of hearts. But the catapult, for all its destructive power, was also a testament to human ingenuity. It took brains as well as brawn to design and build these massive engines of war, to calculate the trajectories, to ensure they could hurl their payloads with accuracy over vast distances. The catapult wasn't just a weapon, it was a symbol, a representation of the besieging army's might and determination. It was a message to those trapped within those walls. Resistance is futile. Surrender or face the consequences. And surrender they often did, for who could stand against such a display of raw power? The catapult, in its own thunderous way, helped to reshape the medieval battlefield, proving that sometimes brute force really is the answer. Now, if the catapult is a raging barbarian, then the trebuchet is a cunning wizard, using gravity and leverage to unleash devastating force. This, my friends, is not just a weapon, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a marvel of medieval engineering that still boggles the mind. Imagine, if you will, a colossal arm, longer than any tree you've ever seen, swinging upwards with incredible speed, a massive sling at its end holding a boulder larger than a cow. That, my friends, is the trebuchet, and it's about to unleash a world of hurt. Unlike the catapult, which relies on twisted ropes and brute force, the trebuchet harnesses the power of gravity. A massive counterweight, often filled with stones, earth, or even lead, is hoisted high into the air, its potential energy a ticking time bomb waiting to be unleashed. When that trigger is released, the counterweight comes crashing down, its energy transferred to the throwing arm, which whips upwards with astonishing speed, hurling that massive projectile in a graceful arc towards its target. The sheer power of the trebuchet is awe-inspiring, capable of launching projectiles weighing tons with incredible force. Walls crumble, towers topple, and entire battlements are reduced to rubble under the trebuchet's relentless assault. It was the ultimate siege weapon, capable of breaking the most stubborn defences and demoralising even the most determined defenders. But the trebuchet wasn't just about brute force, it was a weapon of precision, capable of hitting specific targets with remarkable accuracy. Skilled engineers could adjust the length of the sling, the weight of the counterweight, even the angle of release to ensure their projectiles struck their mark. The trebuchet was more than just a weapon, it was a psychological weapon. The sight of that massive arm swinging upwards, the ground trembling beneath its weight, the deafening crash as the counterweight slammed down, the whistling sound of the projectile hurtling through the air. It was enough to strike terror into the hearts of the bravest warriors. The trebuchet played a pivotal role in many famous sieges, from the walls of Constantinople to the castles of England. It was a weapon that changed the face of warfare, a testament to human ingenuity and our endless fascination with finding new and innovative ways to smash things into other things. So next time you see a picture of a trebuchet, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity, the engineering, and yes, even the artistry of this medieval marvel. It was a weapon of war, yes, but it was also a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to our endless capacity for innovation, even when that innovation involves hurling large objects at our enemies. Now, imagine this. You've battered the enemy walls with your ballistas, catapults and trebuchets. But those defenders, they're a stubborn lot, aren't they? They cling to their ramparts, raining down arrows and insults. What's a warlord to do? Well, that's where our next marvel of medieval engineering comes into play. The siege tower, a mobile fortress, a castle on wheels, designed to get your troops right up to those walls and into the thick of the fighting. Picture this, a towering structure of wood and iron, taller than the walls it seeks to conquer. The siege tower, my friends, is a sight to behold, a lumbering behemoth bristling with archers and soldiers, a battering ram at its base hungry for that first crunch of enemy gate. This wasn't just a tower, it was a mobile battlefield, designed to protect its occupants from the enemy's ranged attacks as it lumbered across the battlefield. Archers would rain down arrows from its upper levels, while soldiers below prepared to storm the walls, eager for hand-to-hand combat. The siege tower was often covered in hides or even metal plating to protect it from fire arrows and other incendiary surprises. It was a slow-moving target to be sure, but it was a formidable one, a testament to the lengths medieval engineers would go to in order to break a siege. Imagine the terror of those defenders as the siege tower drew closer, its shadow falling upon the walls like a creeping doom. The ground would tremble beneath its weight, the air thick with anticipation. This wasn't just an assault, it was an inevitability, a sign that their defenses were about to be put to the ultimate test. And when that battering ram finally slammed into the gate, the sound would echo across the battlefield, a visceral reminder that the time for ranged warfare was over. This was personal now, a fight for survival, hand to hand, steel against steel. The siege tower played a crucial role in countless sieges throughout history, allowing attackers to bypass moats, scale walls, and engage the enemy in close combat. It was a symbol of persistence, of the attacker's unwavering determination to breach those walls, no matter the cost. So next time you see a depiction of a medieval siege, keep an eye out for the siege tower, that lumbering behemoth, a testament to human ingenuity and our endless capacity for finding new and innovative ways to get our hands dirty in the name of conquest. Well, there you have it, my friends, a glimpse into the world of medieval siege weapons. From the precision of the ballista to the brute force of the catapult, the cunning leverage of the trebuchet and the mobile fortress that was the siege tower, these weapons of war played a pivotal role in shaping history. But they were more than just tools of destruction. They were testaments to human ingenuity, to our ability to conceive and construct machines of incredible power and complexity. They were symbols of innovation, of our endless fascination with finding new and creative ways to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals, even if those goals involve knocking down walls and conquering our enemies. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of medieval siege warfare. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the fascinating world of history. Until next time, keep those fires of curiosity burning. And so we leave the mud and the blood, the clang of steel and the groans of falling stone behind us. But let the echoes of these mighty engines of war linger in your minds, a reminder of an age when ingenuity and brute force were locked in a deadly embrace. The siege may be over, but the story continues. For history, much like a well-aimed trebuchet stone, has a way of landing right at our feet, demanding we acknowledge its impact. Go now and delve deeper into the annals of the past, for there are countless tales of bravery, brilliance, and yes, even barbarity, waiting to be unearthed. Farewell. Until next we meet upon the battlements of time, please like and subscribe to our channel for more historical content.